So here is where all the grease goes, right on that Flatrock Traeger griddle. Goes into here, it's just gonna slightly slope into there. And then down there, let's see if I can zoom, you can see some things down there. I'm gonna take you down below the Flatrock, and here is actually the grease bucket. So kind of similar to Traeger smokers, there's a tin. I think this is a size larger tin than what the smokers use, but that catches the grease in here. This is very solid, very solid. So just wanted to show you what the grease bucket looks like. We had a pest guy come and he said definitely do not leave anything like these grease buckets in when you're done cooking. So after it cools, we actually store ours with the grease in the fridge, and so we can use it time and time again and no bugs or rodents will get to it. So anyways, there's just a tour of how the grease works. Look at this beauty. Woo! You're looking good. You're looking good. All right, that's it. Bye. Yeah, the grease bucket finale. Okay, we used it to make a quesadilla and to make griddled onions, and look, really no grease. But anyways, we're not gonna leave it out here because there's a squirrel that wants everything we cook. Gonna hit it with some mozzarella. Now I'm gonna add some cheddar on top, and I still have to add my toppings. Whoa! Delicious.